Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for some practical tips to keep your WordPress website in top shape, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through some easy ways to manage your WordPress site and make sure everything runs smoothly. So without much delay, let's start it. Let's start with the WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Think of it as your control center. On the left side, you'll see sections like posts, pages, media, and more. Let me break it down for you. Posts. This is where you create and manage your blog posts. You can add new posts, categorize them, and even schedule them to publish later. Pages. Pages are for more permanent content, like your about or contact pages. These don't change as often as posts. Media. This is where you manage your images, videos, and other files you use in your posts and pages. Plugins. Plugins help add new features to your site. We'll dive deeper into that later. Tip number 1, always keep your site updated. WordPress themes and plugins get regular updates that help improve security and functionality. Check for updates often by heading to Dashboard and then Updates. Just one click can make a big difference when it comes to keeping your site secure. Tip number 2, always back up your website. Things can go wrong unexpectedly, and having a backup can save you a lot of stress. There are several great backup plugins, like Updraft Plus. It allows you to schedule backups automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing anything. Tip number 3, optimize your website's speed. A slow site can frustrate your visitors and hurt your SEO rankings. Use caching plugins like W3 Total Cache or WP Super Cache to speed things up. And don't forget to optimize your images with tools like Smush to improve loading times. Tip number 4, don't forget about SEO. Optimizing your site for search engines is crucial if you want to be discovered online. SEO plugins like Yoast SEO or Rank Math can guide you through optimizing your content with keyword suggestions, readability tips, and more. Tip number 5, engage with your audience. Respond to comments and encourage feedback to build a community around your website. Enable comment moderation to keep things positive and spam-free. This will help you connect with your audience and improve your content based on their input. And that's a wrap. Those are some simple but effective tips for managing your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video.